few folk have been asking about the case and how we actually film up in the mountains or out in the bike. So this is the reason behind this video. I took a few video clips when I was out in the bike the other day and when I was in the mountain, just showing the case in use, so it give you a realistic idea of the kind of conditions that I've been using the drone in and how I'm packing it away with the actual case. So have a look at these, so they'll be coming up in a second. Okay, so enjoy. If you enjoy this video and you find it useful, please give it a like and please subscribe if you like to hear some more of my ramblings. Okay, right, cheers, bye. Okay, so I've got the little Neo drone with me when I'm out with the bike, and I'll just show you this little case I've got here. It's just in my pocket, really handy. You can shove it in any pocket. It's a good hard protective case. That's it there. So I'm just going to take it out. So that's the drone there in the case. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really handy. You can shove it in any pocket, even quite a small pocket. It protects it, and immediately you've got protection. You can clip it onto your rucksack as well. Right, so for the drone, I've got this neat little case here, little butterfly case. It's the same size as the drone. Literally, that's literally all I've taken it. The whole lot with the drone and the case only weighs 210 grams. So it goes in like that, and I can shove it in my pocket. So that's the drone away. I thought I might show you guys a little case that I got for the Neo. It's called the butterfly case, and it's made by Sunny Life, and it's proved to be a really handy, robust case that's not much bigger than the drone, and makes it really easy to carry. It weighs virtually nothing and takes up no more space than the actual drone. I've been using it out in the hill, on the bike and out climbing, and I can literally just shove it in with my normal gear, and it fully protects the drone. Okay, this is the case here. Really small and compact. It's no bigger than the actual drone itself. You can clip it to your rucksack via this if you want, or just shove it in your rucksack. The drone and the case, I think when I weighed it, was about 200, just over 200 grams, and considering the drone, the Neo drone weighs about 135, it's not really adding that significant amount of extra weight. It completely protects being a hard case, completely protects the drone. And takes up no more space than the actual drone itself. So literally, that's the case there. Put the drone in there like that, close it up, and that's it. Really robust, very light. Okay, it's just started to rain now, so I'll be quite quick with that. I'll just show you. Open up the drone, press the start button, double click, and that's it, the drone starting up. And I'll see if I can actually get it to do fly off of one of the functions.
Droney. Circle. Rocket.
I'll do a rocket here. Okay, so
10 meters. Rocket. 10 meters. Rocket. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so that's literally just flown out the case, and it's doing a rocket. So I've not tried that before. It's quite interesting you can actually do that. So it's good in a sort of dusty, snowy, sandy environment. You're not having to put it down anywhere. So not only does it protect the case, it actually acts a bit like a landing pad. No, it won't land in the case, but I'll land and land in my hand. Okay. So yeah, great little case. So that's a butterfly case. So I'll just close it up, switch it off, double click, and that's it, powering off. And literally just close it, close the little clip here, and I can shove it in a pocket down my front